Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show the ruler in Google Docs step by step. The ruler is a useful tool that helps you adjust margins, set indents, and align text more precisely in your document. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you want to display the ruler. Once your document is open, click View in the top menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Show Ruler. If the ruler is currently hidden, click Show Ruler to enable it. As soon as you select this option, the ruler will appear at the top of your document, just below the toolbar. You can now use the ruler to adjust left and right margins, create first-line indents, or set hanging indents for paragraphs. If you ever want to hide the ruler again, simply return to the View menu and click Show Ruler once more to turn it off. Keep in mind that the ruler is available only in Print Layout view, so make sure you're working in the standard document view. Using the ruler can make formatting documents much easier, especially when creating reports, essays, or professional documents. And that's it. You've successfully shown the ruler in Google Docs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.